coming from Erwin Ogawa of Anong Ganap.
Hi guys, congratulations on our new project. Sa cast natin, Wilbert and Eric, hello. So, what was your reaction nung in-offer sa inyo itong Korean film na to?
Yung naunang, di ba? Sure.
Actually, hindi siya in-offer. Like, we had to audition for it.
Nag-send ako ng video.
Yes.
Nag-send siya ng short film.
Mahaba-haba.
Pero nag-audition tayo live.
Pero nag-audition kami live, tapos nag-send kami ng mga videos. Tapos, ang role na in-audition ko, yung role niya first. Tapos, ayun siya yung nakuha doon. Tapos ako parang, last minute ata ako eh. Last minute ako na-add kasi hindi pwede yung, yung parang first. And then, bigla ako kasi first action ko. So parang, pinagandaan ko po talaga siya.
Actually, we were talking about it earlier. Nag-switch kami ng challenges. Kasi usually he does comedy and I do action. So, for this film, nag-switch kami. Ako yung mag-comedy and siya yung action. So, challenge siya for us. And yeah, challenge accepted.
So, how was it working with Korean actors and producers, production? Yeah.
Ganun po yun nangyayari.
Sign.
Kasi hindi pa masyadong magkaintindihan mo kasi parang
Daming translators.
Oo, minsan yung translator wala. Pag wala yung translator, parang sign language. And sobrang, kasi sa action part po, grabe. Like, sobrang bilib ako dun sa action team, the Mongdol action. Sobrang dami nilang ginawa na action ng mga malalaking film sa Korea. Sobrang honored ako na
Big names.
yeah, big names talaga.
Kilala
So,
talaga sila.
honored talaga kami na makoreo ng team na yon. Tsaka yung mismo direction ng director namin, ang galing talaga. Kasi we take time talaga na, sipin niyo po yan, first time ko po mag-shoot ng project na 2 to 3 sequences a day.
Yes. And the producers, what is this movie all about, Bob?
You wanna? So this film is all about a mother and son na Korean, and they're living in the Philippines. The mom has a successful business here. However, she falls into gambling, and she ends up turning to the mob, the Korean mob, to help her with funds. And yeah, and because of that, she ends up getting abducted. So the lead actor, Nam Woo-yeon, who plays the role of Do-jun, goes and rescues his mom. So, yun na lang. Baka mamaya mag-give-away yung buong plot.
Interesting story, okay? Thank you and best of luck sa movie.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Erwin Ogawa of Anong Ganap. Up next, for our next question, we have Romel Gonzalez of the Showbiz Circle and Hatang.
Yes, Wilbert, ang unang kong tanong sa'yo. Kasi mas kilala ka sa mga rom-com na pelikula, di ba? Ngayon action ka. Ano yung malaking may ikukwento mong malaking pagkakaiba doing a rom-com project and ngayong action star ka dito sa The Guardian?
Well, para sa akin po yung rom-com, syempre very light. And sa action po, mismong yung pag-shoot po sa kanya, sobrang dami pong angulo, madami pong ways, at ibang klaseng art po talaga siya. So talagang bilib din po sa mga art director, sa mga fight scenes na choreographers kasi iba siya eh. Tapos mas may chance siya na ma-injure or what. So ako dun po sa shoot ilang beses po kung may mga gasgas sa katawan dahil sa action po na ginagawa. Kasi ako po mismo gumagawa ng mga action din na pinapagawa po sa akin. And it's a challenge talaga. Medyo malayo naman po sa rom-com na light lang, medyo pakilig-kilig lang. Dito parang kailangan mo ipakita na capable ka dun sa mismong scenes, physically.
So handa ka naman pala dun sa mga injury na dinanas mo. Before kayo mag-shoot, alam mo masasaktan ka.
Hindi ko po in-expect yung sobrang, kasi sakit po talaga ng katawan ko kada shoot namin eh. Kasi matagal po talaga, like may isang shoot po doon sa parang sa vessel ng barko. Inabot po kami ng mga 4 hours, tapos yung time ng sinut po namin is from 1 p.m. to 4. Grabe po yung araw, kasi sunog po talaga yung buong balat ko.
I'm legally obligated to say that we followed safety protocols throughout the shoot. We made sure that the actors' well-being and health was on top.
Oo naman.
We made sure that they were hydrated. There were like 300 people in that set at one point.
Like kada cut payong, ganun no?
Hindi naman naiiwasan ng injuries kahit may safety protocols.
Hindi, yung mga ano lang po, yung mga konting kasi gano'n lang naman po. Hindi naman siya yung parang may nangyayari talaga. Kasi meron din naman pong, meron kami mga doubles din. Pag yung sobrang hirap na talaga ng mga 360, na mga, or yung parang kailangan bumagsak sa ganito, hindi naman po kami mismo yung gagawa.
It was great that Wilbert and the rest of the cast were very willing to put themselves in the place. They did have stunt doubles available to them, but then medyo pagka
For the reality,
for the reality, right?
For the realism of the
For the sake of the action, you know, they were really willing to put their faces on camera for the stunts.
Tapos last question ko sa inyong apat, ano yung natutunan nyo sa mga Koreanong katrabaho nyo pagdating sa paggawa ng pelikula?
Maybe you can go like from left to right. I can go last.
I think Koreans are very passionate when it comes to their filmmaking. They're very disciplined as well. So not to say that Filipinos don't have our advantages. You know, we're very adaptable. So I think mid-production we started finding our own stride. Of course, this is being a cross-cultural production, not just in terms of in front of the camera, but behind the camera as well. So we were able to learn from each other and come up with our own system. So there were, of course, challenges as with any production, but when we hit our stride, it felt great. It was a very good experience for all around.
I think they value time. Kasi sa kanila po talagang every minute counts. So walang nasasayang na oras, dapat naka-standby po lahat. Pero syempre, we can really generalize naman. Siguro yung team lang po mismo ng mga Koreans na nakatrabaho namin, very ganun, very responsible and very talagang on time sa mga scheduling po namin.
To double down on that, very professional and Korean time. Like nasusunod talaga lahat ng ano nila. You can see in hindsight, we learn also a lot from them because their process is different. But yeah, it was interesting to see what they brought into the table and what us Filipinos also brought in. So it was a collaborative effort. And yeah.
So, well, they were talking about like the differences, but I'd also like to talk about like the similarities that we have with the Koreans. So, we're all very, very passionate about the project. The systems, yes, they are different, but I think what would be similar is that we all want to just make impactful films that have an international appeal and that would cross borders in terms of what the market would be. And I think that's a good way moving forward that I think Filipino film should also aspire to create stories that go beyond borders.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your questions. Up next, we have Ron Romulo of People's Balita.
Hello. Hi, Eric.
Hello.
Hello. From P-pop music, series, tapos international movie na. So, ano yung experience mo sa ganyan? Saka, ano yung mga advices na binigyan ng father mo?
He always had one advice, which is autograph your work with quality in whatever you do. So may it be music, film, or any art. He just wants me to give my best and most importantly, have fun with it. Yeah.
Hindi ka ba nanginayan na dapat mas action yung mga scene mo dito instead of comedy?
As I said earlier, I've done a few actions na rin. So this time, switch kami ni Wilbert. So it was a pretty interesting challenge. So para maiba naman, because I wanna showcase that I'm a versatile actor and in any task, I'm up for the challenge.
Isa pa, kumusta working with Wilbert? Kumusta yung ano niya, rapport niya?
Kumusta ba? Konti lang scenes natin eh.
Talaga?
Na magkasama tayo, konti lang.
Meron. A few. Yeah.
A few.
Pero this whole process, I could definitely say, naging close tayo with this project. Ang dami namin similarities pala with
Off-cam.
pop culture, and all
Geekiness.
these- Yes, sobrang nerds kami and dun kami there was a new friendship that was born in this film. Yeah.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you so much.
Salamat.